Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Mr. Carrot seed in Plants vs. Brainrots game on Roblox gym update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I've already got the Mr. Carrot seed, which is one of the secret seeds in Plants vs. Brainrot. And I'm going to show you how you can get the seed for free. If you want to get the seed for free guys, you need to join this quest, the daily quest, and you can submit the brain rot, the required brain rot. And to get the Mr. Carrot seed, we need to submit this brain rot. I forget what it is called, but you need to place the brain rot right here, and then you'll be able to claim your Mr. Carrot seed. And if you complete all of the brain rots, you will get this grand prize, the shiny base card pack. Okay, and that's how you can gather the Mr. Carrot seed for free guys in Plants vs. Brainrots game on Roblox gym update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.